Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Online Course. So this vest I'm going to make today. Okay, so for this vest I have this hook number 3.0 millimeter and 3 ply yarn. So let's get started with making chains. Okay, so for this matter, for this pattern we have to make chains the multiple of 11 and plus 7 plus 8 at the end of the pattern. So I'm doing here a small medium pattern. So if you want to make big pattern or big project, you have to add extra 11 chains with for your size. Okay, so here I have done few rows to make this pattern. I am doing with 41 chains, so this is just a small medium size. Okay, so I'm doing here basic row, that is double crochet rows. For this I have skipped 3 stitches and then doing double crochet in each and every stitch. So if you want, you can skip this row. You can make single crochet, or you can make slip stitch or half double crochet. For this is just a row for the border, so I'm doing here double crochet for the border. Okay, so the double crochet border here is done. Now we will move to the basic row. So this pattern is 2 rows pattern. Okay, so first of all we will make 2 chains, flip your work, and now we will do 5 double crochets in next 5 stitches. One, two, three. So I'm doing one double crochet in each single stitch. So I've done here 5 double crochets, so in total they have 6 stitches in the start. So this will be the side borders. Okay, now make 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third stitch do a single crochet. Again 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, and 1, 2, and in the third, or from the third stitch start making 6 double crochets like in the start I have made. So this one step is done, and we will repeat this step again and again in this first row of the pattern. So this is 2 rows pattern, and this is the first row of the pattern. This is very easy and just really suitable for beginners. You can easily make this. Okay, you can see we will repeat the step and complete the row. Okay, the first row is completed. As you can see how it is looking. Now move to the second row. For the second row again we will do 2 chains and flip your work, 1, 2, and flip your work, and again we will do 5 double crochets in 5 stitches. So we'll have again 6 stitches in the start. So start and ending is the same. So I'm doing, this is the front panel for the vest. So I'm starting it with 41 chains. If you want to make in big size, then add extra 11 chains. Okay, so now 5 chains like this, and again do 6 double crochets. So this is the step for the second row. This is just done. We will have to continue and repeat this again and again till the row is done. Okay, so now repeat this step and complete the row. Okay, the second row is completed. Now we will again repeat the first row. So this is 2 rows pattern, so we will repeat these 2 rows again and again. chains, flip over, again 5 double crochets in the start. Okay, so 5 double crochets done. Now 2 chains, 1 single crochet in the middle of the 5 chains like this, and again 2 chains and 6 double crochets. So continue these 2 rows again and again to make the size till your armholes. Here you can see I have done about 4 rows and I'm just repeating again and again. Now you have to make and repeat these 2 rows again and again till the size of your armhole. So this is my main piece. So this is 41 chains and I have made just a piece for you. Okay, so if we measure this is about 7.5 with the border. When we will add the border, this will be like 7.5 or 8. Okay, so now we will start decreasing for armhole and neck. Okay, so from now this side I'm doing the neck and we will decrease some stitches. So first of all, make 2 chains, flip your work, and we will decrease here 1 stitch only because we want V shape in the for the neck. Okay, so now 1 double crochet and don't pull through all the stitches, and again insert the hook in the next stitch and pull through all. So we have skipped here 1 stitch. So this is the best technique for decreasing stitches. Okay, now next is just repeating the stitches again and again like we did in the previous rows. So next is rest pattern is the same. We have just minus 1 stitch here. Just repeat it again and again. Repeat all the steps till the armhole side. Okay, so we have skipped here 1 stitch. This is the next side and this is the armhole side. So in the armhole side we are skipping 5 double crochets. I mean 5 stitches. Okay, I have done only 1 double crochet, so it means I have skipped 5 double crochets. Okay, now 2 chains, flip your work, and now for the 5 chains we will do again 5 chains. So in total we will make 7 chains, and again do the same pattern by doing 6 double crochets. So this is the armhole side. Okay, I continued the pattern till the neck. Okay, so in next side we have done 5 stitches in previous rows. Now we will do only 4 stitches here. So 3 stitches done, and now do the last stitch. So we are again skipping 1 stitch here, so 4 stitch, and skip the last one. So we will skip this last one, and now again 2 chains, flip work, and again we will skip 1 stitch here. So in this we did 5 stitches, then 4, and here we will do only 3 double crochets. So insert the hook, don't pull through all. Again insert the hook in next stitch and pull through from all stitches. So we have done 1 stitch, we have skipped 1 stitch, and now again 1 double crochet. So in total we have done here 3 double crochets and skipped here 2. Okay, now again the next pattern is the same by doing 6 double crochet and all the things. Okay, repeat this pattern till the armhole side. So armhole side doesn't need to decrease any stitch. this will go like L shape and will go straight. Okay, so in next side you can see the decrease, and this is the armhole side, and armhole side is straight like L, and we will continue doing this to chain. And in the second last chain we will do last double crochet. So this is the second last chain, and we will do the last double crochet here like this. Okay, now again repeat the same by doing 7 chains, 2 3 4 5 6 7, and just repeat the rest. Okay, now I'm at the next side. So in previous row we did 3 double crochets, so in this row we will do only 2 double crochets. Okay, so I'm decreasing here 1 double crochet, so in total I did 2 double crochets. Okay, now next row we will do only 1 double crochet, so 2 chains, flip your work, and 1 double crochet only here. Okay, so next repeat the rest. Okay, so now I am again at the next side. I have completed the armhole side. So in previous row we did only 1 double crochet, so here we will do 4 chains instead of 5 chains, so just 4 chains and only 1 double crochet. Okay, so we again decrease a stitch like this. Now 2 chains for turning and 2 chains for turning. So okay, so you can see the decrease. Now decrease all the stitches and make 6 double crochets and repeat the rest. Okay, I have completed the row. You can see the both side shapes, so we have just these stitches left. So now we will start from here, and this is the above we. So next in this portion we will do like the starting portion. We will decrease 1 double crochet in every single row, so this V shape will be like fine and completed. Okay, so I'm on the returning side and on the next side, so I will tell you how to do it again. Okay, so we have here 6 double crochets in the previous row, and we will skip 1 row here by doing 2 stitches together like this. Okay, so one stitch decreased, so in next we will again decrease 1 stitch by doing the same thing. Insert the hook, don't pull through all, and again insert in the next stitch and pull through all. So we skipped again and again, so just complete this step again and again till the last double crochet. So when you have left 1 double crochet, you just need to continue straight from the next side too, because we will get the demanding shape. Okay, so in the armhole side we have just straight shape of L, and in the next side we have a pretty V shape. So just do the rows again and again till the size of your armhole. I just did a few stitches here. So if you like my pattern, please subscribe my channel, like my video and comment down. Thank you so much.